the nation and ourselves, or this whole notion that MDC is divided. There's no division. The people are united. We are united. The fact that you have a few individuals who, out of their own cases of convenience, choose to go the other side does not make us divided. You are talking about names you are mentioning. They've chosen to side with those who are oppressing us. It has nothing to do with the unity of our people. Zimbabweans are united, they know what they want. And I told you, don't make the mistake of confusing or conflating MDCT and MDC Alliance. It's like ZANU Ndonga and ZANU-PF. They are two separate institutions. We are two separate institutions. Let MDCT go and contribute to the liberation of Zimbabwe. We are contributing. That is the end of the story. So don't waste time on things that are not really issues, because the people are united. We in the leadership in the alliance are united, and we are uniting with other progressive forces. That is what matters. And don't really focus to say, no, there's this. We are united, and you see the unit of the people when we start acting.